In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your Wix website. Adding a calendar can be a great way to keep your visitors informed about upcoming events, schedules, or availability. Whether you're running a business, promoting events, or just organizing your personal projects, incorporating a calendar will enhance your site's functionality and user interactivity. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Wix account, then head over to the Wix dashboard. From here, select the website you want to edit. It's important to note that managing changes will directly affect your live website, so it might be a good idea to first test everything in the preview mode before publishing. Once in the site editor, look over to the left-hand side, where you'll find the Add button. This is your gateway to introducing new elements onto your page, ranging from text boxes and images to interactive features like forums or, in our case, calendars. Click on Add to reveal a drop-down menu of options. In this menu, scroll until you find Bookings or simply search for Calendar. Wix has integration options that specifically cater to adding calendar features. Depending on your need, you might select Wix Bookings, a tool designed for scheduling, or choose one of the many third-party apps if you need something more event-focused or unique. After selecting the calendar app or feature you want, click on it to add it to your page. The calendar should automatically appear on your selected page in the editor. Now it's time to customize it to fit the look and feel of your website. Double-click on the calendar element, which will bring up a settings menu. Here, not only can you alter the design and appearance, but you can also input events, dates, and necessary descriptions. As you make adjustments, keep in mind the overall aesthetic and flow of your website. Consistency in design ensures a professional look. Colors, fonts, and spacing should all be in line with your brand's theme. Another crucial aspect is making sure the calendar is user-friendly. Test clicking on the dates to see if details pop up as expected, and check how it appears on different screens, like phones and tablets, using Wix's responsive design modes. Once you're satisfied with your calendar's integration and appearance, preview your website to make sure everything operates smoothly. If you've entered events, navigate through the calendar to check if the information is easy to see and understand. Testing this step allows you to catch any potential errors before your visitors do. Finally, it's time to publish your changes. Head back to your Wix dashboard and click Publish. Now, your calendar is live for all your site visitors to see. If you ever need to edit or update your events, you can easily do so by returning to the editor. And there you have it. Adding a calendar to your Wix website can truly enhance your site's functionality and create a more interactive experience for your visitors. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing!